Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple and easy calculator in Python ideally. So let's get started. So first you have to download Python ideally from any web browser, and after that you will get this kind of page. So actually we have to write a program in script mode. So to do that we have to first click in this the top left corner of this the file. Then we have to click new file, and then we will get this type of screen which is actually script mode. So after that you have to write the code of the calculator you wanna run. So let's just write that. So you just copy me what I am doing. So I have write all the main things in the program. So the first thing is, if c is equal to plus, then we will write, then the program will write the sum of the number is a plus b, whichever the value there is in a and whichever the value there is in b, then this will add them, and same as subtraction, multiplication and division. If the user have written the wrong operator, so this the program will give them this wrong operator input. So we have just done our program writing, so we have to run it. So to run it we will either write F5, either click F5 on our keyboard, or just click run and then click run module. So let's just do that, and uh, it will ask us to save this. So let's just save this. So let's just save this as, so I have saved it just like that. So let's just save, and here it is. So this is actually interactive mode, so all the outputs are gonna be in interactive mode, and we have to write a program in script mode. So let's just write our first number as 5, and to your second number, so let's just write 2, and to your choice of operator, so we can write multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, so it's correct. Let's just run our code one more time. Let's just see that. So it is there. So let's just write first number 2, and then second number 2, and then we can write our operator as this sign, as this. So see, wrong operator input, so we have written the wrong operator sign here, so it will display wrong operator input. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video.